on a mission to spread holiday cheer. These second graders at Robert Smalls International Academy are making holiday cards to send to troops overseas.
My neighborhood, we have adopted one of our Marine neighbors and his squadron who are overseas for Christmas. And our neighborhood has put together a bunch of baked goods and things like that to send over to them, just kind of a feeling of home. And I thought, why not have the kids write them some thank you notes and some Christmas cards as well? Kind of give them a feeling of home while they're away for Christmas time.
The students are writing special messages in their cards for the soldiers.
Thanks for keeping us safe, and thanks for your service.
Thank you for keeping us safe. Merry Christmas, Marines.
The kids also had fun decorating their cards with Christmas trees, Santa Clauses, and more.
I'm putting a Marine on the front, and I'm gonna put a soldier in the where the writing is, because they both are keeping us safe and they won't be home for Christmas.
Christmas trees, because soldiers like Christmas trees because of the color green.
I put a paper chain in there, so I wrote, my name is Mara, and then can you finish my paper chain?
Several other classes at the school heard what the second graders were doing and also made cards for the troops.
It's definitely that Christmas spirit feeling you have going on, especially with a lot of our students in our school. And my classroom particularly have family members that are, service or military members as well. So seeing them kind of firsthand and what it could feel like for them makes your heart feel good.
The school made about 200 holiday cards to send overseas. At Robert Smalls International Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.